Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me today. Today's video, I'm going to be coming up to you with my makeup updates. I've changed some few things, the way I apply my makeup, things that I use, the place I don't supposed to put products. I decided to come up with this video. I hope it's going to be helpful and useful as well. On my last video, sorry that I was no proper intro in that video because something happened at the end of the video, so I just had to cut the clip away. And yeah, excuse for the not being put together. All the same, I know you guys love the video. Thank you so much. I didn't want to just let it go like that. I still want to put it out there. Without any further ado, if you're interested, if you are interested, you want to see how I come up with this video, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know what you think, subscribe and share the video and as well. Yeah, okay, yeah guys, my voice, I'm a little bit ill. Okay, I'm feeling this look, guys. I'm feeling this look. Okay, so no further talking. As always, guys, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and be blessed. Okay, take care, ciao. Start with my skin. You guys know I love to start with my skin. Okay, so I'm going to try some new face primer today. If you're oily combination skin, I don't think it's really recommendable because you had to know how to use this cream. I got this from Paris 2 years ago and I've not used it. It was a gift basically. I didn't buy it, okay? I just got it after buying so much makeup. So they had to give, I think I have 2 of this, and it's the Hollywood California Glam Glow, okay? Glam Glow cream, this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look on our face. A little bit goes a long way, guys. Don't be carried away. Rub this cream on my face before I go ahead and wet my beauty blender, okay? Here we go. So from primer, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible Super Grip Primer. Make sure to dab. Using my OG primer is from Floma Cosmetic Makeup Fixing Spray. This one right here. I've not used it for a very long time. Guys, for foundation today, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Magic foundation, and this one is in Accra, which is 330. I don't know if you guys can see it. 330. For foundation brush, guys, I'm going to be taking this Malvi foundation brush to apply the foundation on my skin. And this foundation, guys, you guys know it has a very thick velvet consistency, so you need to be careful, and a little bit gray. Of course it's my shade, but it's in a gray tone, all right? But with the concealer, we can always balance it. You don't have a problem with that. This foundation, guys, is perfect for winter time, for summertime, because in summer I'm more lighter. So in winter, point of correction, girl. In winter I'm lighter. In summer I'm a little bit darker. It's normal for everybody. So that is why I always love to use this foundation in winter, in summer. But today I decided just to use it because sometimes I need to use my product. They kind of dry out when I don't use them, and it's a waste of coins if I don't use the product that I buy. I don't like wasting my product or wasting my money. All right, so I had to use it. I think it has been 2 years plus now since I got this foundation. It's only the concealer I do use often. Guys, I have a little bit breakout. I'm reacting to some certain things which I know myself. I don't know, the camera is picking it, and it's super hurting. You guys, it's really hurting, but with time it's going to go away. I'm reacting to some certain things I know myself. So yeah, but it's so huge right there. I'm so happy it's under my chin, it's not on my face. Even if this foundation is velvet, a feeling of velvet foundation, you can still see the glow, baby girl. When you know, period. I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge. I'm going to do the extra finish. The reason why I always use Real Technique sponge after using the brush is removing the excess products. Number two is going to make my face look super well blended. It's not going to leave any brush mark on my face. I think I've mentioned this all over the time, okay, but I still need to let you guys know. So guys, normally before I would go ahead and just set my face with a face setting powder. I do love to go ahead and use my concealer, my highlighter, and my contour. So guys, of lately I've been using Color Correct to serve as a first concealer. The Urban Decay, okay, Urban Decay, Naked Skin Urban Decay, okay, and this one is in Deep Peach, okay. Applied as a first concealer, if you know what I mean, to serve as a first darker shade concealer. You guys, you know what you know how it's excuse the attitude. So guys, I no longer apply concealer between the edges of my lips. I see no reason to do that. That is just a waste of product, and I'm going to use the remaining product on my beauty blender just to, you know, beautify or highlight my edge of my mouth or my lips, whatever you call it, okay. So I'm going to go straight ahead and use my Real Technique sponge to blend out this first shade before I go in with the second concealer, if that makes sense. And then I go ahead and contour. I go on contour. Without a contour, we go nowhere. Contour. Guys, at the moment, you guys, I don't have the best voice, okay? I don't have the best voice. I don't have the best voice. Okay. Anyway, girl, calm down. You are too much. Taking the F Camo concealer, this one right here. Tan Sand, okay, Tan Sand. You guys can see that? Camera, please pick it here. So that is going to give me that highlight that I'm going for. But don't worry, we are going to blend it out. It's going to be in my inner corner, guys. Don't worry about that. I need to use my product. I buy product, I don't use it. It's not good. It's a very bad attitude. It's a bad habit. Okay, I know it's light, but don't worry. We are going to balance it, okay? Balance. So guys, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty in 470. You guys, I've used these products last time, and this is what I can use today also. I decided to use it. As of lately, guys, I no longer contour under my chin or under my jaw, if that makes sense. I only just put it on my cheekbone and my nose, of course, okay? My nose. My forehead, of course, the normal place we're supposed to contour, and that's it. I no longer do this, okay? It's not sexy anymore. Isn't sexy anymore. So guys, to blend in my contour, I'm going to be taking the Malvi contour brush. I look terrible with this highlight, okay, because I use a red concealer before. That is why I use this light. If not, I'm going to tone it down a little bit, but don't worry, with blending you're good to go, girl. No hard feeling. Don't get life twisted. Life is beautiful, life is sexy, life is enjoyable. Make the best out of it, okay? So I'm going to be taking my foundation brush. The reason why I always use this, it just melts everything in place, and you still see the shadow going on, but it's not sharp. The edges are well blended and all of those jazz, okay? I'm going to go ahead and set my eye, okay, with a loose setting powder. So guys, for bronzer, I'm going to be taking the terracotta bronzer in the shade Ebony, alright? This one right here. It's brush by BEAUTYARTIST. So guys, for blush, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. blush, super beautiful, as you can see, and the name is Primer Infused Shimmer Blusher, and the name of this blush is Always Lucky. I'm always a lucky vibe. And for the brush I'm using is by a Technique brush. You guys, I've been using this Alveda eyebrow pencil as a lip liner. So guys, today I decide to try it, to use it basically as an eyebrow product, because I've not used it. I can't remember if I've ever used it. Using the eyebrow pencil, if you want to have that tiny tip, always have a sharpener beside. So I'm going to be taking this concealer buffer by Gestop 142. To take a little bit of this concealer just to serve as the first eyeshadow base. For eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to be trying the Glam Smart Cookies palette by Shein. I've used it once, but I didn't really tell you guys how I felt about it. I think a silent video, so I didn't really tell you. And this palette is so beautiful, super friendly, good to work with. Color are super pigment. For the price, you can't go wrong. I'm going to leave the link down below. It wasn't expensive at all. I'm going to be taking this Catrice lip pencil number 26 Darling, and I'm just going to basically do a cut crease with this. This is going to be my base, okay? I'm going to be taking this Gestop brush 223 brush, and the name is called Petite Eye Blender. Nothing on the brush. I'm just going to basically start to blend out that line that I draw earlier on before I'm creating a shadow with it. I'm going to take this shade right here, okay? And the name of this shade I'm taking is Love Cheap, okay? Yeah, I'm going to go in with this shade called Brown Sugar, bring more dimension, okay? This shade right here. So guys, I'm going to be taking this brush by Gestop. This one is 221 Cocoa Look, as you can see. So yes, just to, you know, smoothing the edges around before I go in and cut my crease the more. Eyeshadow base, this one is called Eden. Take this brush from Malvin. I'm taking this beautiful shade right here, okay? This shade, my outer crease, just like so. I want it to be really more precise. Guys, I'm going to be taking these two shades together. To set my face, I'm going to be taking this Max Factor bronzer, and the shade of this one is light bronze. And I'm taking this Best Top large brush highlighter, and this one is called Reloaded Dare to the Vogue, okay? Smudgebox brush right here. I'm just going to use it to bronze or to highlight my face basically. Revolution Color Stay Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be taking L'Oreal Escal. I'm going to be taking this 3D. So guys, I went ahead and set my eyebrow, my lashes. So guys, for lip liner, I'm going to be taking the one I used to cut my crease and the one I used for my eyebrow. So I'm going to be taking this Essence lip liner, and this one is called This Is Me in number 6. Okay, This Is Me in number 6. I'm going to apply a little bit of gloss. I'm taking this NYX Butter Gloss. This is Wipe Top, but I think it's number 7 because this was my favorite. I'm going to be right back, okay, just to remove my scarf and maybe change my outfits, and I'll be right back. Subscribe, comment and share.